All the stories have been told. What's more important is how to tell the stories. Sa panahon ng quick contents, reels, and algorithms, mahalaga pa ba ang pelikula? Brillante Mendoza is one of the most influential filmmakers in the Philippines. His film Kinatay received the Cannes Film Festival Best Director Award in 2009. After returning from Busan International Film Festival for the screening of Motherland in October last year, he sat as President du Jury International at the 29th Festival International du Cinema d'Auteur de Rabat in Morocco last November 16. Direk Dante, as he is fondly called by his friends, had given masterclasses in Cannes, Shanghai, Antalya, Fukuoka, Bosphorus, Istanbul, and Bucharest, to name a few. Since graduating from his directing workshop in 2016, Batch 3, I have been a regular actor of his award-winning films from Amo, Alpha the Right to Kill, Hilom Doctors to the Barrio, Amor Solo's Dream, Lakbayan, Resback, Bahay na Pula, Moro, and a Right Med TV commercial, Isang Pagpupugay. Ang tanong, pangarap mo bang gumawa ng pelikula? Oo naman, dahil ngayon na ang tamang panahon para ibuhos ang iyong passion to the next level with Sinag Maynila Masterclass. Learn how to craft stories and bring your vision to life with valuable insights from film industry experts spearheaded by world-renowned director Brillante Mendoza. Kaya i-level up na ang iyong husay at galing sa larangan ng directing, scriptwriting, cinematography, production design, acting, editing, sound, and music. Ano pang hinihintay ninyo? Join us sa Sinag Maynila Masterclass with an early bird promo of 25,000 pesos available until June 15, 2025.